Hey beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be learning how to create beautiful chic boho braids. Yes, that's right. This style is perfect if you want something natural, playful and easy to maintain. It's this style you'll be looking out for. So grab your comb, hair extensions, and let's dive right into it. And don't forget, if you're right here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up and drop a comment below. Let's grow this community together. First thing first, let's get your hair ready. Before you start braiding, make sure your hair is clean and well moisturized. You can use a leave-in conditioner to soften your hair and a bit of oil to seal in the moisture. For my naturalistas out there, this step is key. If your hair isn't properly prepped, the braids can be tight or painful, and we don't want that stress, Abby. So let's take care of that hair so it stays healthy under the braids. Alright, next up, let's section the hair. Divide your hair into small sections. This will make it easier to braid and help keep things neat. For this, I'm not using any edge control. I'm just using hair cream to moisturize, to lock in moisture and to make it easy to braid. So you can use a rat comb to part the hair. Take your time with this because the sections are what really give that boho braid its beauty. The smaller the sections, the better the final look will be. Now for the magic, this is where we start adding our extensions to get that boho vibe. We are not going to use too much hair, just enough to give it volume but still keep it light and flowy. Take a small piece of your extension and attach it to each section you've created. Now braid down a little bit, but don't braid it all the way to the end. Leave some hair loose so we can add those coily ends later. The loose ends will give it that boho feel, that playful, relaxed look. Now, as you braid each section, remember to keep it light. This style isn't about tight, perfect braids. It's about making it look soft and natural. So leave some pieces out if you want. Pull a few braids loose if they look too tight, and just have fun with it. Boho braids are all about freedom and expression, just like we should be in life. Don't be afraid to let go of what isn't perfect. Embrace the imperfections. They make the style unique. While we're working on these braids, let me just drop a little reminder. Just like we're leaving some parts of the braid loose to give it that relaxed vibe, sometimes we also need to loosen up from our past. Maybe we've made mistakes, maybe you've faced challenges, but that doesn't define who you are today. Just as we're making something beautiful with these braids, you too can build something beautiful with your life. Regardless of what has happened before, don't let the past hold you back. Just like those braids, allow yourself to flow freely and embrace the present moment. No shame, no regrets, just a beautiful future waiting for you. Alright, we're almost done. To finish up the style, use some mousse or light gel to set the hair and tame any flyaways. You can also use edge control to lay those edges nicely and give it a sleek finish. There you have it. Our boho braids are looking soft, fresh and full of life. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this boho braid tutorial. Maybe even felt inspired by today's lesson. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't yet, and drop a comment to let me know what you think. Until next time, stay beautiful, keep shining. Bye for now.